Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, March 10th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's breakfast, cheese toaster mini waffles, milk, and juice. Today's lunch, Crispitos, black beans, corn, milk, and juice. Today's weather, high 79, low 65, mostly sunny, and a low percent chance of rain. Today's birthdays are Paisley Yates and Carson Beaton. Happy birthday, Carson and Paley. Today's announcements. Thank you to everyone for making our halls look amazing. Our guests were so impressed with the creativity and talent that was on display. Congratulations to pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade for winning the distinguished medals. This week, we will begin testing ACAP alternate schedule in Ms. Stewart's office across from the nurse's station. Please be mindful of noise level when transitioning in the hallway and when having conversations near that area. Third quarter parent contact logs are due to Ms. Gibbs on Teacher Workday, Monday, March 20th. ACAP summative testing begins on March 21st. We will hold individual ACAP goal settings meetings with students beginning next week. We want our students to realize the importance of doing their best on the state assessment. We are working on details for the incentive for our students who scored 3s and/or 4s on last year's assessments. Library circulation is closed this week due to the software changeover across the district. Today's late duty is Miss Hatcher. Important dates: March 7th through 14th, ACAP alternate, March 9th, PST, March 16th, tutoring ends, March 17th, Kona Ice Day and third quarter ends, March 21st, Teacher Work Day, and March 22nd, ACAP summative begins. Send us your questions. Send us your question, and it may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered by our research team. Today's question of the day: Cohen wondered, how many muscles are in the human body? Cohen found the answer. There are about 600 muscles in the human body. The three main types of muscles include skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. The brain nerves and skeletal muscles work together to cause movement. This is collectively known as the neuromuscular system. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday.